Extreme Rules match, you need a bit of a deranged mind to agree to these. From way up. Great counter.
Looking for the rings of Saturn. It's a pin.
Got the crossface applied.
He's got it locked in. Trapped and nowhere to go. Trying to muscle out of this. Look at the heart, the determination. Vicious shoulder tackle in the corner.
Oh, look at this ruthlessness in the bottom turnbuckle. Producing a trampling. Oh, Brock waylays him. No disqualifications has to benefit a certain type of superstar more than others, doesn't it, Corey?
Get off your high horse, Cole. A no disqualifications match benefits the superstar who's smarter, faster, and better. Using the rules to your advantage doesn't make you the villain here.
Suplex!
Launched.
Great wherewithal on the counter. Series of reversals.
Here's the pump handle.
Suplex. Oh, this is just flat out punishment. Dishing out a suplex.
It's like we're seeing the power of an uncaged animal right now.
Go behind. Suplex City, population U. And right now, this is just one hell of a beating. Oh, he went low. The humanity. The beast is taking charge.
Lesnar is calling the shots now. German 9. Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched.
Such a potent display of power and control there.
Well-delivered suplex.
Just unveiling the full extent of muscle with those attacks.
Perched up top. Diving knee drop. He's starting to struggle here.
In order to succeed in an Extreme Rules match, you have
Sky high. Knee smashing the face. Attempting high-risk move after high-risk move at a breakneck pace. Tough position to be caught in here. Running power slam. The game in bad shape right now.
the Beast in full assault mode. Now stalks Triple H.
He steps foot in the ring again.
In full control here.
Face full of turnbuckle.
Vicious shoulder tackle in the corner. And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area.
Alley-oop. Lesnar with a well-timed shot. There he goes, right into the corner.
Oh, targeting the stomach.
The Beast in Predator mode. Triple H needs to dig deep like he's done so often before. He's expressing pain now.
He needs to get himself some room to regroup fast.
Perched up top. Whoa, look out.
And that was a collision you don't want to be on the receiving end of.
Came down like a wrecking ball on a cinder block.
He's got his hands on a sledgehammer. Total chaos is about to be unleashed. Ooh. Oh no, a sledgehammer. Better call the paramedics right now.
Go behind. Suplex City, population U. Oh, the sledgehammer connects. That'll scramble your insides.
The game is one step ahead.
Chicken wing, underhook, uh-oh. Helmet head suplex. Gosh. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
getting the beast back.
And there's a takedown.
Brought down with a snapmare.
Coming back into the ring, back to the action. Chicken wing, underhook, suplex.
Gosh.
Go behind. German suplex release. And the damage must be mounting on the torso to this point.
Every hit more detrimental than the last.
Triple H getting dismantled here.
It is scary how much Lesnar enjoys dishing out this punishment.
Oh, shot right to the kidney. And again.
Great way to wear down your opponent.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Go behind. German suplex release.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched. Getting tossed.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins. Oh boy, he's stalking him, watching for an opening.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him. Sure, he's pumping himself up, but he's also giving his opponent a chance to recover. He gets back into the ring. Lariat. Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
There's a running knee on a Harley right.
Maybe that will shut him up.
Nine. Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
Lesnar's got this closed up.
Cover. 1, 2, and a kick out. No one saw that coming.
Wow, how did Triple H survive that?
Nothing can keep the game down when he's this determined, this possessed.
And we get a rare look in the face of Brock Lesnar. You're not supposed to get up after Lesnar brings you down. Placing them right where they want them, into the corner.
Vicious shoulder tackle in the corner.
And now, guys, this is a very concerning development. Referee needs to examine the situation.
Now, this is the result of constant attacks to the torso area.
Bang! Is that enough to defeat the game?
An incredible win for Brock Lesnar.
Here is your winner, Brock Lesnar!
What a legendary battle between two legendary men.
And the legend is, eat, sleep,